I got my Stang. I'm about to get it to the shop in a minute, man. Try to get me a the bomb to him. Yeah, you like that, don't you?
Nah,
You trying to look for one, you might get that one. I'll probably put it on the list in a minute, man.
Like
It's gonna be high no more. What the hell was that? Oh, it's gonna be high no more. I'll tell you that. Well, you can't scoot up. I'm finna have the stickers and everything tomorrow. New stickers, new business cards, everything. Got student driver in the building, y'all. Let it eat. Let it eat. Alrighty, guys, we got our white Mercedes. Attention in the pits. If you have a car with a truck on the back of it and you think you found the perfect parking spot, you didn't. You need to move it or we will.
that was it, man.
You need to move it or we will.
Scott Andrews.
Scott Andrews,
You've been identified as the driver of this white Mercedes.
you are blocking a racer's vehicle and we're gonna ask you to move. Right lane with the wind, y'all. Head up for some money?
Yeah.
What? Well, I'm finna get paid. I don't want to hear that you in the truck and I'm light and all that. You got a trailer, right?
No, I drive this thing.
Oh, me too. I'm gonna drive mine too. I'm gonna be jamming and cruising. Hey, wait, meet up. Hey, I'm gonna come get you, boy. I'm on your ass.
Okay.
On your ass,
You
I go.
already said it.
Y'all heard what I said, y'all. Look at this truck trying to fuck with me. I'm gonna get on his ass. Yeah, right here, y'all. I'm gonna try to knock the doors off his ass, boy. That's one. I'm sick of all these Yello Bellies calling me out. I'm finna show they ass. I'm finna show they ass. Yeah, yeah. Hey, did y'all dolly? You dolly my... Hey, already. Y'all didn't dolly me gusta though. Dolly me like on YouTube. Look Out Racing. Look Out Racing. Look Out Racing. I just gave him the... Man, here, give him the card, man. Meet up.
I got you.
Already, he got me, man. Appreciate it. I'm finna get there. He gonna follow and subscribe. Right lane for the win.